Hi, I'm Mercury. Mercury shows how we receive, understand, and communicate.
Mercury shows how we receive information. It reflects the way messages, ideas, and details enter our mind.
Mercury also shows how we understand what we take in. It reflects the way we sort through information and make sense of it.
Mercury is connected to learning, thinking, and processing. It helps show how we gather knowledge and keep our mind engaged.
Mercury also shows how we communicate with other people. It shapes the way we speak, write, and express what is on our mind.
Mercury helps create conversation and connection. It influences how we listen, respond, and exchange ideas with others.
Mercury can also show how we communicate in friendships and groups. It reflects how our ideas move through social spaces and shared conversations. Mercury is the messenger. It carries thoughts from one mind to another and helps ideas travel, connect, and be understood.
Mercury shows how we receive, understand, and communicate. By learning your Mercury, you can better understand how your mind connects with the world.